Hey everyone, it's Alan from Flavors of New York. I am in Connecticut today and South Norwalk, about to try some Mediterranean cuisine at Sono.
Hello everyone, I am Noah Katz. I'm one of the owners here at Sono. We opened in November 2025. We chose the area of South Norwalk because it's an up-and-coming place. Also, both me and my partner grew up in Westport, and we know it well. But we've decided to do something a little bit different than everybody else. Everybody else here has a club kind of scene, and we are doing for more mature people. We have a piano lounge. We have live music Thursday, Friday, and Saturday nights, starting at 7 p.m. We have some great pianists and musicians playing here. Some of them are Grammy Award winners. One of them used to play with John Lennon. Another one, her godmother is Billie Holiday. We have a good lineup of people, and we have many, many people coming in asking to play here and auditioning almost every day. Our menu is a variety of Mediterranean food from all over the Mediterranean. Everybody always thinks Mediterranean, they automatically think Greek food. That's not what we are. We have lava stones here, which are hot rocks that we allow you to cook in front of yourself at the table. We do steaks, we do shrimp, we do lobster, fish, all on the stone, and it's very interactive and entertaining for the guests. Our beverage program here is extensive. Personally, I've been behind the bar for almost 40 years, and I've made a name for myself. We create cocktails here that we have a Sono sour, we have a hedgehog that nobody knows what that is, but it's a Sonic, and we call it the hedgehog because it's Sonic the Hedgehog. We also have an extensive boutique wine list here that you cannot buy in the store. There's wines that you'll never see anywhere else. My private stash of wine also that is very extensive, and you cannot buy it anywhere.
This seafood bisque is amazing. Got calamari, got clams. Wow.
Hi, Brian Feely, chef and partner at Sono. At first you saw our version of bread and butter, which is a house-made hummus, toasted pita, and veggie sticks. And you saw our house-made seafood chowder. Everything here is from scratch. And then you see our pork chop scarpiella with citrus greens, parsley potatoes, and green beans.
Scarpiella, potatoes, and string beans, green salad. Wow. So tender, comes out of the kitchen, steaming hot.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed what you saw. You're going to come visit us soon, have some great food and some good times.
Absolutely. We welcome you to come. We hope to see you soon.